President Pranab Mukherjee heralding history in the Central Hall of Parliament. And indeed, he played an important role in its scripting, both as the President of India and as a finance minister nearly 6 years ago. Calling it a moment of personal satisfaction, President Mukherjee hailed implementation of GST as a sign of India's wisdom and maturity as a democracy.
The new era in taxation is the result of broad consensus arrived at between the centre and states. This consensus took not only time but also effort to build. The effort came from persons across the political spectrum who set aside narrow partisan considerations and put the nation's interest first. It is a tribute to the maturity and wisdom of India's democracy.
The President hailed the joint efforts put in by the centre and the states to achieve the common goal of GST. He congratulated both the government and the GST Council for achieving this mammoth task in such a short period of time.
It is remarkable that 18 meetings held so far, all decisions have been taken by consensus in the Council. I congratulate them. There were apprehensions whether the task of fixing rates for thousands of items could be accomplished by the GST Council, given the wide variations across states. The Council has pleasantly surprised every one of us by completing its task on time.
Addressing the function, Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said, India has achieved a broader goal, even when the world faces the challenges of slow growth and isolationism.
We have implemented a constitution amendment and brought in a large tax reform, displaying a high point of Indian politics. We have done this at a time when the world is facing slow growth, isolationism, and the lack of structural reforms. With the GST, India has showcased that these forces can be overcome through the display of inclusion, openness, and boldness.
Listing the benefits of the landmark tax reform, Jaitley said that it will ensure the single flow of goods and services across the country.
जो व्यवस्था थी, उस व्यवस्था में राज्यों में और केंद्र में मिलाकर 17 ट्रांजैक्शन टैक्स हैं, 1717, 23 सेस हैं. उन सब को समाप्त कर दिया गया है और उनके स्थान पर केवल एक टैक्स रहेगा. हर टैक्स के लिए अलग रिटर्न जाता था, आज एक रिटर्न जाएगा. टैक्स के ऊपर टैक्स न लगना, ये इसकी विशेषता है. पूरे देश के अंदर अलग अलग राज्यों में अलग अलग रेट और चुंगी नाकाओं के ऊपर ट्रकों की भीड़ वो समाप्त होगी और एक प्रकार से सिंगल फ्लो गुड्स और सर्विसेज का पूरे देश के अंदर इसके बाद होगा.
The finance minister said that GST marks India's transition from an economically fragmented system into a new nation with limitless possibilities. Sudhakar Das, Rajesh Raj and Lal Chandra's report, DD News, Delhi.